Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie here and welcome back to my channel and welcome my boyfriend to my channel. This is Bradley.
Hey guys.
Hey, so if you guys want to make some nice healthy dinner for your loved one on Valentine's Day, this is the perfect thing to make. We're also going to show you a nice healthy dessert to make as well. So it's all healthy, it's really good, and it's a light meal. So we're gonna be making a pasta minus the garlic and minus the onions because you don't want your breath to smell, right?
We don't want your breath to smell.
I don't want my breath to smell, but it's still really tasty, really light. It's nothing too heavy because you don't want to have anything heavy while you are
heading home from your Valentine's Day date.
Yeah, you don't want
plans for the evening.
Yeah,
whatever
so
you're gonna do.
You don't want to have Mexican food for obvious reasons. Yeah, you know, you can get a little gassy.
Stay away from Mexican.
Yeah,
gassy and bloated.
Gassy and bloated. So in this recipe, we're going to be using some chicken breasts, Parmesan, mushrooms, zucchini, olive oil, tomatoes, and this is red lentil pasta. So it's a little healthier version of pasta, and I thought it was really cute because, yeah, you guys can use that for later too. Because it's red, and so why not get in the Valentine's Day spirit with some red pasta.
So cute.
Have this water boiling, I'm just gonna toss in the pasta.
I just want to let you know I love the way that you turn on the saute pan.
Thank you.
It's all about positively reinforcing your significant other as well.
Yeah. When was the first time?
No, let's not do that.
Okay.
Let's not do that. I don't really like first time questions with your significant other. I'd stay away from those two when you're going out on your Valentine's Day dates.
Okay, I'm gonna do 4 chicken breasts, 2 for each. The bigger ones are for my man. We're gonna do some zucchini and some mushrooms. Chicken breasts are cooking over here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the garlic salt. I know we said we're staying away from garlic, but garlic salt won't hurt your breath. Cutting these zucchinis in nice round circles. And I'm gonna show you a really cute fun thing that you guys can do with them.
Yeah, there's a lot of fun things that you guys can do with zucchinis out there. I'm really excited actually to hear where she goes with it.
What you can do is make little hearts out of them. That was my plan for this. So let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna take the top off. Ooh, we'll take the top off right here.
Let's take the top off.
You guys can throw in the extras because who really cares what it looks like. But how cute is that? You guys can make little cute hearts out of the vegetables that you're putting into your pasta. Oh, adorable. I'm just gonna start chopping up these mushrooms. You can make your man be the sous chef. Yeah, take those noodles out, man. I'm gonna throw these mushrooms and zucchini into the pan with my chicken. Cherry tomatoes and cut them right in half. Throw these tomatoes in, let them roast a little bit. I'm just gonna use this pot that I boiled the pasta in, and I'm gonna throw in some olive oil and heat up those red lentil noodles in with some olive oil. Red noodles, how cute are they for Valentine's Day? Toss them in that pot.
In here?
Garlic salt, yes. Basil leaves. So we're gonna let the chicken dish simmer. So we're gonna let the, stop. And the pasta simmer. We'll be back at ya in 3 minutes. So we are back a few minutes later and we are about to plate these pasta dishes for us both. Lay it out all nice on the plate. And then, will you do the honors of just scooping and putting a little bit on each?
Certainly.
Great work, we're so proud.
Thank you.
Perfect. Next step, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more of these basil leaves on top. Just like that for a nice professional looking top off. And then sprinkle with a lot of Parmesan because I freaking love Parmesan. Salt Bae. Really healthy, really light. Great thing for Valentine's Day to cook together. Super easy too.
Delicious.
Are you ready for the dessert?
Yeah.
Take you back there.
Way back over there.
Way back over there. And show you our Valentine's Day dessert. Yes. So here's what you'll need. A banana, almond milk or your milk of choice, some vanilla Greek yogurt, some cacao nibs or dark chocolate, some cocoa powder, strawberries, and some whipped cream. And some whipped cream.
Keep that. Yeah, there you go. So fun.
All these ingredients besides the strawberries in the blender. It is nice and blended up. Looks so good. Pour it in these little nice containers. Look how good that looks. Now we're gonna take these babies and pop them in the freezer. So 30 minutes later, out of the freezer, and these guys are looking so good. It's almost like a frozen yogurt chocolate mousse type thing. Top a little bit off with some whipped cream, some strawberries, and some cacao nibs.
Actually, it's really good.
It's so, so good. How are you liking it?
It's unbelievable.
Well, thank you so much for watching this Valentine's Day recipe video. And thank you to Bradley for coming on my channel and doing this with me. And even if you're not celebrating with a loved one or your significant other, grab your girlfriends and happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.